Hey divas, so in today's video I am here to do a purse review, so if you guys are interested then definitely keep watching. Okay divas, so as you guys can see we have the Coach Pillow Tabby 26 here. I was super excited to get this bag. Most of the time, like, I don't like getting like the it bags because, you know, I don't know, like I just like what I like and I'm not interested in what's like in and stuff like that. But this one is beautiful. I absolutely love Coach. I do have about like 3 Coach bags, and then I also had Coach bags when I was younger. So I've always loved the brand Coach because I feel like they are just very timeless and classic. So anywho, I did not get a box with mine. I did get my bag from Macy's. It does come with a dust bag. I'm not sure if it comes with the box, but I didn't get a box with mine personally, and mine came from Macy's like I said before. So here is the actual bag. So it is just really beautiful. I did get this color because I felt like, I don't know, like I felt like I would be able to do a lot with this bag, and also I wanted a lighter colored bag because as you guys know we are in spring and we're approaching summer, so I just wanted something that would pretty much match that. But honestly I feel like this bag is going to be good for all year round. So I want to go ahead and show you guys the actual bag and the inside and everything, and also it does come with 2 straps, so I want to go ahead and show you guys that. So here's the actual bag in all its beautiful glory. So this is very beautiful. I'm glad the lighting toned down because you can actually see the true color. It's like a beautiful bone cream color. So here's the sides and how it looks, and it also comes with this beautiful puffy Coach tag on it, which I think is super cute, and it gives the bag a little bit more personality. So here's how it looks on the sides, and right now I'm wearing the long strap because today I'm going to be wearing this bag and I'm going to wear the long strap. And then here is the front. It has the beautiful C for Coach, of course, and I just feel like it's really beautiful. Now when you open it up, it does not come with a, oh yeah, I forgot to show you guys the back. So it does not come with like a back pouch or anything. So once you open it up, it does have this authentication. So it has that, and then it has that space in there. It also comes with a zipper in the middle, which is nice. Oh, sorry, I have a little bit of cash because I needed some cash going to a festival. But anyways, yeah, so it comes with that, and then it also comes with the other paper authentication, and then it also has a front area here, and then it does snap on here. Am I supposed to take that off? Oh yeah, I didn't take it off. I never take those off because I just feel like it's not necessary. So yeah, so it does snap on here pretty good. You won't have to worry about it like coming off or anything, so it's really nice. So here is the longer strap, which is actually adjustable, so you can adjust it to how you need it to be, and this is what it looks like on there. Then I also went ahead and put on the shorter strap. Now when you hold it, it's not going to be straight because it does have the swivel clasps, which is really good because that means your bag will be able to be worn comfortably without it looking weird. The only time it looks weird is if you try to hold it, because as you guys can see it's slanted, it's not gonna stay straight. But overall I think it's really beautiful. Another thing that I like is that you can customize it. So I did take this pearl clips. I showed you guys these a while ago, but this purse strap I took it from another purse that I had, but you can go ahead and customize this bag to the way you see fit, and it will be really cute, and you can make it kind of like unique in your own. I think this is super cute. I did order some more purse straps because I do want to customize this bag because I will be wearing it quite often. Overall I do really like this bag. I feel like it's very nice quality. The leather is very soft. One thing that I'm seeing happening here is that the leather is kind of getting a little wear on it already, but I have wore this bag like for like 7 days straight at this point. But yeah, like it is getting a little wear on it, but I don't have a problem with that because it still doesn't look bad even though it's getting like that wear on it. So overall I like it. I really love the fact that this is a very classic bag. While it is the it bag now, because it's just so classic and timeless. I feel like you will be able to keep this in your wardrobe or in your purse arsenal, if you will, all the time. Okay, like I don't feel like at any point I would have to get rid of this bag or not wear it for any reason. So I really love the classiness of it. I love, it's just very classic, classy, and beautiful and modern all in one. So I really do like this purse. And if you ask me, do I think it's worth the hype? Definitely. They do have a smaller one, but I need a big purse because, honey, I learned my lesson with my Louis Vuitton mini pochette. Okay, I love my mini pochette, but girl, it's small. So I'm not trying to go back down that road, okay? But anyways, yeah, they do have a smaller one. So if you're not interested in one that is this big, they do have other sizes and colors as well. It's pretty hard to get your hands on this bag at this point because it is the it bag, so everybody's buying it. I bought the last one where I got mine. But yeah, overall I like it. I think it's worth the hype. I will try to find a link and put it in the description box below in case you guys are interested, but if not, just go ahead and search the name Coach Tabby 26 or whichever one that you would like. But yeah, I like it. I just wanted to come and tell you guys how I felt about this bag. But yeah, divas, that's pretty much it about this bag. I do hope that you guys enjoyed this video and found it very helpful and easy to follow. If you did, then please go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Be sure to leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you think. Let me know, are you gonna get this bag? Do you have this bag? What do you think about it? What color did you get? What color do you want to get? Just talk to me. I'm nosy. I want to know what you're going to get. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. I greatly appreciate it, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.